to my channel. Today I will tell you the important topic that four stages of market development and the internal clock time. This is a main concept. So once you see the concept, you can take the entry for with the target of standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2 and the standard deviation 3. Where it will start. So we can once we check the any distribution profile file, you can the trend will starts from here. Once the trend starts, the four stages of market activity it will begin. What is the distribution file? It will tell you once the range sell off will come, market starts with downtrend continue, then stop the price, then little development going on, then it will develop, then it will retrace, then it will go for target SD1, SD2 and SD3. So this is the four stages of market activity. From this how we can uh, calculate the internal time clock. Whenever the distribution file it should happen, count the TPO number. What is the TPO number? In center of the POC, in center of the POC, there is some letter is there. If we count the letter, these horizontal letters, this letter if we count that, this is the time clock calculation. This is the this time clock calculation, it will give the real market. This is the DNA of the market. Once if we check the time clock, you can predict the uh, index or stock with the target of a standard deviation 1 and a standard deviation 2, standard deviation 3. See, now we check the bank nifty where the distribution file will happen this May 7th. So from that trend downtrend will continue. Now they will downtrend will stop the price here. Then what happened next day? It will going development. Then after that it will go for little retracement. It will go for little retracement. Then you can play for SD1, SD2, SD3 target. How this function will work? I will tell you that if we calculate this POC letters here 0 to 18, it will come 0 to 18. Here also 0 to 18. If the letter is the range 0 to 18, the trend will continuation only. Then after 18 to 24, 18 to 24, the trend will stop here. Then after that 24 to after 24 to 40, the stages of development will happen. Once complete the more than 40, it will go to the target standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2, standard deviation 3. How we can calculate the timings? The trend will fall from here. If we can join the profile, for example, the trend will downtrend will continue here, it will stop, then you can merge the file. This is a split file. You can merge the files from where the trend will starts. If you can merge the file, this is the range. This is the range. Auction process happened in this range up to this range. From this only, we have to take the trade setup. So how we'll take from here? It will stop the price, right? Then what happen? It will go for development stage. The center point it is going for development. So if we calculate the letters now, maximum 0 to 27. If you zoom on to count the letter, you can get the letters count. How many letters it should be. If we zoom and count, see this letter 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 0 to 16, it is trend continue only. Trend continue means center letter 0 to 16. It will stop the price here. Then what happen? It will go for development stage. The price going for development stage in the center point. Here 0 to 18. Now the development 3 days profile development going on. Then what happen if we join this profile also? If we join this profile, now the center point it's coming developed more letter. Then more letter you can count the letter. How many letter you have? Just count the letter center point. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31. So 31 is there. TPO is 31 is there. Still we need 8. 8 means 40. If 40 completed, that center point, this bell curve is developed. It's developed in this area. The bell curve structure is look like this range. This is the bell curve structure. If the center point is developed more than 40, then what happen? It will move in the opposite direction. We have to check for now 30 is there. We have to check for still 10. 10 more TPO we record. Center point should be more than 40. Also, it will standard deviation 1. Here some development going on. If we join the profile also, we have to join the profile from here to here. You can join the profile from here to here where the distribution file happen. This center letter now more TPO it's developed. You can count the letter. So this is the time to count the letter. This I am explained in Bank Nifty. It's happened 2 days before. So how the movement will go, I'll give you the example. If we zoom and check the letter, if we zoom and check the letter, mostly it's all same letters only. If we can count the letter 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Now 34. 34 is normal development. After that this profile shapes coming 34. Here more than 40. If we join this profile more than 40, whenever the price coming down, you can play for the target. Standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2, standard deviation 3. So price is open down, it will go to opposite direction. This is the standard deviation 1, this is standard deviation 2, this is top is standard deviation 3. So price exactly it will 47,700, it will test 49,000. So you can nearly catch. Once the 40 TPO developed, you can take the entry from long because price is downside, because most of the belco here shapes already the bottom all developed, gap is top only. So price will reach the target. SD1, SD2, SD3. This is the four stages of market development, and this is the internal clock time. Internal clock time more than 40, it will go to standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2, standard deviation 3. Concept if we play For every stock or every index, you can reach the target. You can play with the standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2, and the standard deviation 3 target. If it is break the standard deviation 3, it will go to full uptrend only. So this is the internal clock time. How to one distribution profile came, trend continue only, stop the price, then development going on, then after that here it is almost 30, then one retestment came up to here, it's 40 developed, then it will go to standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2, standard deviation 3. So this is the target done. If you play for this target, you can exactly, your probability is higher probability trade. This most of the players, they're playing in market profile. This is the real internal clock time of the market with the four stages of development. If it is forming in upside, same thing happen upside. Thanks for watching.